Hi there. Good boy, Felix. Let these guys go first. And plenty of space, and then you can go too. It's nice and still. You like water? Yeah, good boy. Oh, he's always loved water cross country. Come on then. This way, Felix. On the high bit. Good boy. This is the way to go through. Is that fun, Felix? I'll see how you guys go first. Have to be shorter than Felix at least. Sorry? Yeah, I don't think we'll go that way. Good boy, Felix. Sorry, I thought I had enough space, so. No, that's perfectly sensible. Yeah, I'll send you the GoPro footage too. So would I, to be honest. Good boy, Felix. So?
I said it's just Felix.
Yeah. Do you want me to go first this time?
I don't mind.
Or do you want to be on the GoPro?
Yeah, whichever you prefer, Joe. I'll get you on my phone this time.
Good boy, Felix. You like water. You're a good lad. Good boy. Good lad. Come on, big boy. He's a good boy. Good boy. You spook at the road, you big goose. He spooked at the road as we came out. Goose. Or was it Princess up behind you? Good boy. Good boy. Well, I'd already washed his legs. Oh, they were beyond minging. Besides, it's easier to wash his legs and hooves than pick him out at the moment. He stops biting me so much. Hello. Felix, keep moving. Good boy. Wait. That's a good lad. Good boy. Good boy. Hiya. Lovely afternoon. Good boy. Good boy. And thanks, guys.